So we're gonna move on to the we have here to calculate the variance and the standard deviation. We're gonna apply this tables for analyzing statistical values. Variance, you can upload it from the first. You can see it from on the uploading of the first video, which is the for the mean, the mode, and the median. So we before moving on to the video, to the table, we're gonna click here NB to know how many data we have here, how many values we have here. We have 210. Okay, so now I devised the values from before we starting analyzing the data to analyzing the values here to calculate the variance and the standard deviation and move on to the next one, which is Lorentz curve in Genai index. We're gonna click here on minimum to know the minimum value. Which is 119, and the maximum value which is 241. So now we want to know the values, the number of action that value is strictly inferior than 150. So in order for us to calculate, we're gonna click on we're gonna use the function which is called n number point c point if in English, if point number point c. You can refresh here this one right here. So we can account the number specified in group of conditions and criteria. We're gonna click it on here. So we're gonna select before we're gonna see we should here have the symbols of inferior and superior. So we're gonna click this symbol point comma, and we're gonna click here inferior. Sorry. We have to select this one right here, so we can specify if this is should be inferior than 150. Point comma inferior than 150. Sorry, we forgot here to do the two commas here. This in the three in keyboard here, 3. That's it. So we have 30 values that is inferior, strictly inferior than 150. We're gonna apply the same thing here. And B1, this is the function. we're gonna select the whole data right here. Now here we should have, it should be inferior strictly 175 and superior or equal to 150. We select that we should here have copy. B2 So that's to understand this one, we should have strictly inferior than 175 and superior or equal to 150. We select also we select the same place of the same where the values are B2 to key to 22 and point comma. The 3 apostrophe this one, this sample right here, and this sample right here, it should be superior than 150. So we're gonna do the same thing right here, same thing right here. So we can easily select this one and just change the value, so we can't have difficult work. Sorry. Oh no. Now we have it here. So I'm gonna call it. We're gonna generate that one. I know it's we're gonna just change this one to 200. It should be inferior to 200. And this one should be superior to 175. This one should be 225. This one should be inferior or equal to 241. No, should be we should here do something. V2 K22 V2 K22, because it's move on to the next gray. V2 K22 before switches to V2 K22 also. We have here the total, so we're gonna click on the total. So we're gonna select this one right here, enter. That's it, that's 210. That's the true. So we in the next video we're gonna talk about all values we're gonna implement here, and that's until we can calculate the variance. We can calculate, and that's it for this video.